This 2019 Grand Design Imagine 2850MK is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Sanger, Texas, 76266 and is offered for sale by McClain's Longhorn RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Grand Design is 35 feet 6 inches in length and features Sleep 6, Skylight, microwave, auxiliary battery, smoke detector, carbon monoxide detector, air conditioning, TV, leveling jacks, refrigerator, LP detector, and 52 gallons fresh water capacity. The unloaded weight of this 2019 Grand Design Imagine 2850MK is 7,125 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.